Well, it's a great day for hay, kind of. We have a little, like 30% chance of traces of rain, so we're gonna risk it. And being that it's 90 degrees, if it does even sprinkle on it, it's probably gonna be dry in no time at all. So we're gonna try hay season 21. It's gonna be like 90 degrees, so you know, this whole AC tractor here would be really nice, but we'll see how this goes. Hopefully everything is like halfway serviced up and doesn't have tons and tons of headaches, so let's get at it. So today we just started raking. We cut on Tuesday. We thought it said all Wednesday is like 90 degrees, and then got a 0% chance of rain. And guess what happened? It rained. Just a little sprinkle, just enough to like coat half the ground type thing. And then I got my brother here learning how to rake. But what's lovely about this field is there's a bunch of point rows. So down there, here comes to a point, opposite side comes to a point, over there comes to a point, and there comes to a point. So that's always fun to deal with this rake. But this old horse-drawn rake from the 30s is doing a great job getting this all nice and fluffy. And it looks like we probably could go bale right now if we wanted to. So we'll get some shots of it, us raking. we officially ran into a problem. This thing will not shift out of second gear, I believe, and when it's off or when it's running. So you just stuff it in here and go to just finish this up, and then we can try to figure it out between now and hay. But if you go down, it's stuck in gear and will kill the tractor. So we get to just rake in second gear and full throttle, because that's about all that she'll do right now. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so if you look over here, a truck sitting next to a tractor and not being fueled is usually a bad sign. But we were doing this again, and we were bringing it over here and put it in neutral, turn it off so that nothing would happen, put it in neutral on this, try to put it, just let it be here and turn it off. Well, when I try to fire it up, when the clutch was out, it obviously was running fine. But what was happening, if you look in here, is, see, these are the forks right here. You can kind of tell, it's probably hard to see, but you can kind of see the forks in there. Well, all three of them were, these two right here were down, and this one right here was up. So we were stuck in about 3 gears, and that's probably why it isn't going happy. So we're gonna just put this back in and hopefully, you know, get us through the rest of raking and hay and deal with it another day. Hopefully we can survive. This 30 is new idea rake, fantastic, minus like all the point rows kind of make rows look ugly by the end of it, but that's neither here nor there. But we finally got the drag racing trans brake disengaged because it was stuffed into 3 gears, and it's working all right. So I'm assuming, since this is from the 60s or late 50s, that the tolerances are just garbage at this point in time. So when we do the clutch, we'll get all those tolerances, weld up some puddles, and get that all back into spec. So we're gonna give it a few hours to dry out, and then for us to warm up, because it's a really chilly 95 degrees, and then we'll be back and doing hay. So this has been going great. We've had, I don't want to know how many of these. We started at 3, it's probably like 7 now, and we still got a little bit to go. And the tractor has been also acting up. I'll get to that in a minute, but yeah, keep blowing bales. So probably going to be in the market for a new baler here soon. But you can see here, since it's like, well, I turned her off. Since turned her off because, you know, ran out of fuel. But the reason it was surging so bad was this was boiling the gas at, I don't know, it was like 170 degrees with a little infrared temp gun here. So, you know, a little tin foil, that's actually helped quite a bit. But you can see that's right behind there is a blown bale. We had about 4 over there that were blown because the string decided just to disappear, and then it's been all over. So yeah, it hasn't gone smoothly, and that's probably why I haven't taken any video. So we'll hopefully get some of that to you here from this point on. that did not go as smoothly as we wanted to, because I think we were out here for, let's see, probably, yeah, 5 hours, and we did a total of probably 140 bales. So this $400 baler does not do bales to the minute, it does bales to the hour. And I think we got its money worth out of it, but we'll see if we can find something else. And then we got the bales to pick up, because I want a hay rack, but the amount of times we have to slow down so that we can keep up and not blow bales, you're probably gonna be tossing everybody off the back. So we'll hopefully get that figured out in the next coming cut or two. I don't know. We'll see. We'll put it off until the last minute and then we'll figure it out. So you guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe, maybe toss a like on there. Thanks.